YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Back with another video for you guys today, man. And today I do have an unboxing. Now, I know that with a lot of my unboxings, what I've been doing is showing you guys like the bird's eye view of me unboxing the box and opening it from the bird's eye view before I start the video. But there's something a little interesting about the way this box came packaged. So I want to do this with y'all and y'all can actually see my reaction to it just to make sure that everything's all right. But before we get into the video, man, just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who joined the channel. We just hit 683 subscribers at the time of me joining this video, man. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. Also, let's see if we can hit 700 before September 1st. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the channel, join the anonymous Sneakerhead family. A lot of good things going on here, a lot of new videos, a lot more content coming up. Also, go ahead and smash that like button, man. Really helps with the algorithms, helps bring new people to the videos, potentially bring new people to the channels by hitting that subscribe button. And then last but not least, go ahead and follow the Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first, including the shoes that I'm unboxing for you guys today. You would have already seen them up there. And then one more thing before I get into the video, I am an ambassador of Popl, that's P-O-P-L. It's essentially like having an infinite amount of business cards with you all the time. As you guys can see right here, all it is a little sticker you put on the back of your phone case and you tap it to someone else's phone and boom, your links pop up and you can put in there. I have my YouTube channel, my Instagram account, my Popl ambassador referral code, and I also have my my PayPal and my Cashapp up there. Really dope. Something great to have around me all the time, especially now that I'm wearing my face covering with anonymous Sneakerhead on it. People ask me about it. Boom. Here's the YouTube channel, and there it is. So really handy. Go ahead, get you one of those. Like I said, referral link down below in the description, and the promo code is ANON, A-N-O-N. Now, none of that's out of the way, man. Let's get into this video. So like I said, we do have an unboxing here. As you can see, I always take off the shipping labels and everything. You guys don't need to see my information, where everything's going and all that. But here is the box with the Just Rob Me tape on it. But like I said, something's interesting about this. And on the back side of the box, there's no tape, which is wild. As you guys can see right here, no tape. And it doesn't look like any tape was ripped off, which I guess is a good thing, meaning no one was going in the box and checking. But I guess they have this glued down, so I'm gonna see if I can get this open without a knife. And if I can, come on Nike, that's a bad job. Yeah, look at this, it just pops right off. This is wild. So yeah, it's glued down. Bang. And this is the top of the box too. Come on Nike. Yeah, so that's wild. So this is the top of the box. As you can see, the box inside. So you guys already know what it is. I mean, you know what it is by now already. You read the title and saw the thumbnail. And here we have the, let me get the official tag color on it. So here we have the Air Jordan 1 High OG CO.JP. And the official colorway is neutral gray and metallic silver. This is a size, what? Okay. I was looking at the Euro size. I was like, well, this is a USA men's size 12. So now, let's get into this box right here. So as you can see really quick, just off of the box, man, this is actually really nice packaging with your metallic silver right here. It gives you a good idea of what's going to be in the box. So let's take the top off.
After the top off.
Bang, and you get your white paper with some silver Jumpman on it right there. I don't know how well that'll show up on the camera, but you do get silver Jumpman on the paper, which is a nice dope touch. Pull the paper back. If it's a real shoe, it should be the left shoe first always. I know a lot of people debate that, but man, I worked at DSW. Every single Nike shoe, now that's not with every brand, but just with Nike, because with Nike you had to tag the shoes and you always had to tag the left shoe. And with Nike, the left shoe was always the first shoe that reveals itself after the paper. So if you did buy some shoes and, you know what I'm saying, the right shoe is first, all that means, that doesn't necessarily mean it's fake, but that means that someone probably took it out and looked at it and just didn't pay attention to putting it back in there. Now, this shoe in hand, this is my first time seeing it in hand, yo. It's actually really clean. I'm not sure what this material is right here around the toe box. It's definitely not a suede. I don't even know if I call it a nubuck. If it is, it's the shortest hair nubuck I've ever seen. Goes to the mid part of the shoe. And yo, this shoe is really clean, bro. Really clean. Now, those of you that have been around know that I'm not keeping these. These are actually sold already. Right after I finish this video, I'm shipping them out because I'm using this to put towards one of my all-time sneaker grails. But man, I wish I could have hit on 2 of these and would have kept a pair, because this is actually in hand a little better than I thought it would be. It's not as shiny. I'm not a big fan of the super shiny sneakers, so it's not as shiny as I thought it would be. I know it's a little hard to see right now with lighting and everything. Let me see if I could. I don't know if that helps anything or not, but it's a little hard to see what colors. There's going to be some B-roll, so you'll be able to get better views of it. But man, really, really dope sneaker. Let's just go around and look at the details right now. So on the toe box right here, you do have that nice little, it's not tumbled leather, but it's not that fake like regular leather with pressed on tumbled like we have on the court purples up there. It's a little bit better leather on the tongue right there, and the same thing on, not on the tongue, on the toe, and the same thing on the heel. Now as we get up to the heel, we also do have our Wings logo covered in plastic right there with the plastic overlay. Nice little touch. Yeah, man, this shoe is really dope. More details. Once again, we do have a different Jordan tongue. This tongue actually reminds me a little bit of the Pinnacle ones. How it doesn't have the tag that goes over it right here. It's just a flat Jordan tongue. And then on the back of it, if you guys can see right there, we do have 2001, 2020. Meaning that this sneaker, the last time it came out 19 years ago in 2001, was a Japan exclusive. Came out in only 2001 pairs, but now we did get a reboot of them this year. We do have the gray outsole, which is a nice touch, you know what I'm saying? I actually like the gray outsole instead of it being a white outsole, you know what I mean? It'll just make the shoe, it'll make the shoe last longer, you know what I mean? White outsoles get beat up so much. We do have the white midsole right here, and then one of the most interesting touches of the whole shoe is the laces, because normally on Jordan 1s we get flat laces and we're used to seeing flat laces, and here we have more of a, not a rope, but more of a like regular sports lace style, which is an interesting touch, you know what I'm saying? I've seen them laced up, looks pretty cool. Once again, not necessarily for me. I had no nostalgia. I know a lot of people were nostalgic about this shoe and coming out in 2001 and the briefcase only being so many pairs, yada yada yada. But for me, it was just a shoe to use the flip to get towards another goal. But like I said, if I was able to get my hands on more than one pair and I wasn't necessarily chasing a grail, I might keep these, might wear them. If anything, I would just hold them and sell them later. You guys know I'm not the biggest Jordan 1 guy, but this is a really clean sneaker, guys. I can't even lie. Let me get the other one out here just to make sure that I'm not missing anything. So here goes, yeah, bang, here we go. Here goes the right sneaker, so you can see both of them. Let me get the paper out the way of the camera. So you can see both of them right here. Right shoe, left shoe. Really, really dope, clean sneaker, man. I could see a lot of people getting off good fits with these, you know what I mean? For me, it's not personally my style, my thing, just because everyone wears Jordan 1s. But yo, like I said, yo, really, really clean in hand. I don't know what material this is. If y'all know right here the material that's on this mid panel all the way up to around the toe, let me know what that material is. Is it up here too? Yeah, it's on the ankle collar too, whatever that is right there. Really, really dope, man. Let me know if you guys know what that is. Like I said, you got that metallic-ish leather finish on the swoosh around the heel, all of here. I don't think there's any other touches I'm missing. I already did talk about the tongue. Not gonna get an on foot on these, obviously. Like I said, they're already sold. As soon as I turn this camera off, I'm going to drop them off at UPS, and then I'll be picking up one of my grails, so stay tuned for that, man. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think about the sneaker down below in the comments. I know it's an old sneaker by now, you know what I'm saying, and sneaker years, you know what I'm saying. This sneaker, what, it came out last Friday, right? I think a week ago, and sneaker years, like 1 week is the equivalent of like 2 years. So this sneaker's already 2 years old. It's old, it's dusty, you know what I'm saying. It's had its time. But really, once again, really excited to have it in hand that I could do a video for you guys. And I'm not gonna lie to you and sit here and act like I'm adding it to the collection. These are gone already. They're sold. Wouldn't make sense for me to hold them, and I'm not gonna wear them. But man, one more time, just here's a good look, all around look of the shoe. Let me know what you guys think about the Jordan 1 CO.JP Tokyo. That is it for this one, though, you guys. I am the anonymous sneakerhead, man. If you are new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the channel, y'all. Really helps us hit our goal of 1,000 by the end of the year. Let's see if we can hit our little goal of 700 by September 1st. Also, if you made it this far, you like the video, so go ahead and hit that like button. Last but not least, follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. You would have seen me post about these up there already by now. But that is it for this one, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.